Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in week 2 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for today is transportation. So my transportation is this horse. We've got sheet music. We got a drawing or a sketch, and I've got this. It's a Tim Holtz ephemera, but as you can see, it's sketched out. Favorite book of our author, and I'm going with Anna Green Gables. I'm doing a journal with her, and I've been fussy cutting, so I thought I would use this. Something that starts with an R. We've got Rose, and the bonus is postage stamp. And I've got these two. That one I thought was so pretty, and this one is from Canada in honor of Anne, because she lived at Prince Edward Island. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. I cannot complain. So I am just going to kind of do a background of the music. It's very, very fragile. An old hymnal. All right. Yeah. I may just want to tear that a little bit. There we go. Get rid of these. All right, let's see how to lay this out. Well, I know I want that to go down. So, and I think I do want to ink. Now, I inked everything else, but since I haven't torn this, of course, I couldn't ink it. So I'm going to go ahead and ink around this. And I do like that. I used cardstock that I got at Walmart that's a cream color, so you don't have that bright white. Because most of my stuff is kind of a vintagey look, so that helps a lot. And I'll go ahead and ink this while I got it out. Give it a more finished look. All right, now let me get my glue book and we will get this down. Well, I am filming this on Friday, so we are getting a wintry mix, but it's not as bad as it could be. We still have power, and it's not below freezing. So it's white outside, but it's a slushy bit. Our concern now is it freezing tonight. Okay. But since we've been in the 20s most of the week, I'm glad we got down to like 33 last night. So, all right, I got that. Now let's see how we're going to put everything else on. So we've got our transportation, and I have this as well. I was looking for it, couldn't find it. Now it just happens to be there. Imagine. And we've got that. I thought it'd be fun to put that one red rose right in the center. And we've got Anne. And we've got stamps. So I feel like we need, see, we've got everything that's required. But let's see what else we can find to go with it. I'd like some books. I don't know if I have any. Let's see what I got. butterfly. Or moth, I should say. I may add that. See if there's any. I don't think I have any books, but I do have lots of vintage type things. Oh. That'd be cute to ground him. So I like that. We've got that. I wished I had some books. Teeny tiny, like that. Okay. Oh, maybe this. And we'll have 3 pops of red. Yeah. All right. Okay. We'll go with this for right now, and then we'll see what else we'll do. Okay. First of all, let me get Anne down. I'm going to reread the book, especially as I start working on my journal. I've got some beautiful digitals. I love, like this is a perfect picture of Anne. Now some of them I don't get. You know, it's like they have one of her riding a horse, and I read all the Anne books, and I don't believe she ever rode a horse. At least not to my knowledge. Now she would get one out for the buggy. Okay. But I love those books. Let me go ahead and get it. Get this down. And get my horse down, which is also a drawing. It came from a cut and collage book. My son's, one son got me 2 of the winter of, I can't, is it Maramy Small Art? Something like that. And my other son got me a collage soup. So I want to do, before I start cutting those, I want to do a flip through. I haven't been filming other videos as much because I've been doing Junk Journal January every day. I don't want y'all to get tired of me, but I think I would enjoy that. And I need to be preparing for February. And there's a couple of challenges I want to do. That Laurie's Pile of Paragraphs, I believe it is doing a challenge called Grungy Tag Challenge, and it's just one tag a month. And I want to do that one. I love grungy, and I haven't ever done a grungy journal. And so I want to do that. I think it would be a lot of fun. And, of course, Amy of Crafty Cat will be doing her 50 stack challenge. I think she plans on starting in February doing that. I always enjoy that. And there's a couple. Shinoki Art is got her third of the cards. She's already got her second prompt up. And I used to do that. I really enjoyed it, but then didn't do it for such a long time that I just kind of, quit doing it when she came out, because it had been so many weeks. It had been so many weeks between prompts that I'd get busy with something else. Okay, but I think this time she's doing one a week, so I may pick that back up. Now, let's see. My youngest son got me this for Christmas, and there's so many cute. Maybe there's some books in here. Hope so. Let me see if I can find anything bookish. If not, I could do a fairy, because Anne loved imagining fairies. She loved to dream. No, I'll hang on to that. I might want to use. She loved flowers. And of course, she loved Gilbert Blythe. Eventually. I don't see any books, but I see lots of beautiful stickers. That. Oh, those are beautiful. No books, but lots of pretty stickers. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do, just to kind of embellish this. I like that. And here's some more roses. Like that. All right. Let's see here. And she wrote lots of letters to her friends as she got older. I don't know though. I like the clock. That's pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there and add my gold splatters. Might want to put my pen back in, my glue. Okay. So, get this. Get my water bottle. Got her splattered. All right. Well, week 2, I'll say it's done. And I can add it into my book. It won't take those long to dry at all. So we have got last week's and then this week's. And I can go ahead and add my prompt to the back of this page. And add in my page. And I love it. All right, let's see what we've got. We have got transportation. We have got sheet music, a drawing or a sketch, favorite book or author, and I'm going with Anne of Green Gables, something that starts with R, a rose, and bonus is postage stamp, and I've got these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP2 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.